Hello, folks. So today we are going to talk about meter and start learning about how to connect the Takadimi with actual rhythm symbols that we would see in actual music. So let's first of all define what meter is. So meter is the way beats are organized and divided. And we're going to start with common time, which is what most of us are familiar with in our day and age of music. So you will sometimes see this symbol C, which just means common time. That translates into 4/4, which means 4 beats per measure. That's the top number, and then the bottom number tells you the beat note, which is the quarter note. In this case, would receive the beat. So the common time beat is the quarter note, which is ta. So I'm going to get a little drum beat going here, and then we will just sing this together. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Okay, so that it's the same thing what we've been doing, but now we're just adding the symbol, the quarter note symbol with it. So that is the beat note for common time. Okay, now that beat divides into 2 tadis. Okay, so these are eighth notes. Okay, so go ahead and echo me. 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Ta-dee, 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 ta-dee. Good, so that's the division of the beat by 2. Okay, now we take that one more step, and now we have the division of the beat by 4, which now becomes Takadimi. All right, so let's try this one. So echo me. I'm going to start with the ta, then I'm going to move down to the Takadimi. 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Say it. Ta, ta, ta. This one. Ta-dee, 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 ta-dee. This one. Takadimi, 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 takadimi. Good. So now you have the full breakdown of the subdivision. So you have this is the beat right here. This would be considered the division of the beat. This would be considered the subdivision of the beat, going down another level. So when you put that all together, you can see this whole graph shows you everything here. The beat, ta, division of the beat, ta-dee, and the subdivision of the beat would be takadimi. Okay, now let's go the other direction. Instead of cutting the beat in half, let's double it. So this is going to be our half note. Okay, so 1 quarter note times 2 equals a half note. All right, so echo me. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Now this one. Ta, ta. Good. So multiplied, it becomes a half note, which is the ta. Okay, now we multiply that again. Now we have a whole note. Okay, so this is going to be 4 beats. So go ahead and echo me. Starting with ta. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, ta. Ta. Good. So now you have the full breakdown of the multiplication, okay? All right. So when you put all those together, you have this rhythm pyramid, starting with the whole note, and then the half note, quarter notes, eighth notes, and then of course 16th notes going down. So this is our beat level right here. The ta is our beat level. When you multiply, you get half notes and whole notes. When you divide, you get eighth notes and 16th notes. Okay, so let's just go through this whole pyramid. We're going to start here at the top. We're going to echo each one, go working our way down. Okay, here we go. Ta, 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 ta-dee, 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 ta-dee. Takadimi, 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 Takadimi. Good. So that's how it would work with all the rhythm symbols in common time. Now, you also have rest symbols in common time. So these would be the corresponding rest symbols that you would see. So what these would mean is you wouldn't make any sound. You would just be silent on that particular symbol. Okay, so starting with the whole rest, kind of looks like an upside down hat, and then a half rest, which is like a top hat almost, and then quarter rests, kind of looks like a little squiggly line. Eighth rest kind of looks like a little 7, and then a 16th rest kind of looks like a little 7 with another little thing right there. So those are the rest symbols. So for right now, let's mainly focus on just the quarter rest symbol. So this is, whenever you see this, that just means you're going to be quiet for a beat. So you would just be like this. Shh, 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 shh. And that concludes this lesson.